Okay, this video is about making a place value chart, a quick and dirty place value chart. You can use it for your homework tonight, but it's also something you need to know just to help you out with numbers. It'll help you out on the test, and it'll help you out anytime that you need to do these types of problems. So let's take a problem like this. If we have 42 and 8/10 times 100. Okay, the first thing that we want to do is write our number 42 and 8/10, and we want to just make a real quick and dirty place value chart. I should have put the last one. Sorry, get rid of that. Sorry, 42 and 8/10. Sorry, see, I should have put the decimal point there with the 2. Okay, all right, 42 and 8/10, and we are multiplying it by 100. Multiplying by a whole number means that it's going to be getting bigger, which means all the digits will move to the left. And since it's 100, that tells us it's going to move 2 places to the left, because 10 times bigger is 1 place, 100 times bigger is 2 places. So I need 2 more places on my place value chart. And everything is just going to move over 2 to the left. So the 4 goes from the 1's place to the 100's place. The 2 goes, the 10's place to the 10's place to the 1,000's place. The 2 goes from the 1's place to the 100's place. The 8 is going from the 10ths to the 10s. Okay, and I now have moved everything. Notice, though, my decimal point is still here, which means that I need to put a 0 there in the 1's place. So 42 and 8/10 times 100 is 4,280. Okay, and again, the important thing just to remember, if we're multiplying by 100, that means it's moving over 2 places. 1, 1, 2, just like that. It is also important that every digit moves over 2 places. So we still see 4, 2, 8. We still see 4, 2, 8. Okay. There's also a question on the homework where it asks you to round a number using a place value chart, and you don't necessarily need to, but if you want to round, let's say 3 and 78/100 to the nearest 10th, you can use a place value chart just like this. 3 and 78/100. Again, draw your place value chart, and here you might want to just write TH to help you keep track. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths after the decimal point. Okay, and so I know I'm in the 10ths place, so this is what I want to keep. This is what I'm getting rid of. I'm getting rid of everything after the 10ths place, so I see this 8 here is greater than 5, which means that my tenths I'm going to raise up to 8/10. Nothing happens to my whole number, and I get 3 and 8/10. 3 and 8/10. Remember, when you round to the 10ths place, your number should be in tenths. It is true that 3 and 8/10 is equivalent to 3 and 80/100. Those are equivalent numbers. But if it says round to the tenths, that came out weird. That means that I want my answer to be in tenths. So you would show it this way and not that way. Okay, so again, real quick, just remember when you're making a place value chart, just put, you have a number, 37 and 4/10. Just put it in boxes. If you're dividing by, let's say 10, everybody would move over 1 place to the right. The decimal stays in the same place. If you're multiplying 3 and 74/100 by 10, then everything would move over 1 place to the left. Okay. Just like that. Okay, and that's place value chart.